Good morning, children. Today, our topic is writing words and writing figures. Already have completed numbers up to 2000. So, today we are going to writing words. Writing words. Writing words means what? They will give the number. You have to write the spelling of that number. For example, 8585. So you're having check road book for maths classwork and homework. In that check road book you are having boxes like this. So please, when you are writing in the classwork book, write each number in one box. See, 8 in one box and 5 in one box. After writing the number, write the place values of that number. So 5 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place. 85, 85. So here they will give like this number and you have to write the spelling of that number. So EI, GH, TY, 80, FI, BE, 5, 85. Another example. See, now I am taking 3-digit number. Again, 430. See, 4 one box, 3 one box, 0 one box. After writing the numbers in one box, again you write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. See, if you don't know how to write, if you write the place values, you can see the number is in which place, whether it is in hundreds place or thousands place or tens place. Now see here, 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. So you have to write 400. F-O-U-R, 4, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, 400. 400 after what is there? 30. See, 400. 100 after you have to say and. 100 after you have to say and. 400 and. A-N-D and. 30, 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. 430. See, another example. 705. Again see, 7 one box, 0 one box, 5 one box. Again you write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. See, 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. So you have to write 700. S-E-V-E-N, 7, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 700. 100 after what should you say? And. See here, 0 is in tens place. So 0 is not having any value. So A-N-D and. Which number is in ones place? 5. So F-I-B-E, 5. 705. See, here we have taken 3 digits. Now we are going to take 4-digit number. See, 5 one box, 4 one box, 2 one box, 6 one box. After writing the numbers, write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See now, here 5 is in which place? Thousands place. So, 5,000. F-I-B-E, 5, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, 1,000. 5,000. 5,000 after 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. 5,400. F-O-U-R, 4, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 400. 100 after what should you say? And. 100 after and. A-N-D and. So 2 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place, 26. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, S-I-X, 6, 26. See another example. See here. 9,400. 9 1 box, 4 1 box, 0 1 box, 0 1 box. After writing the number, again write the place values. Here 9 is in which place? Thousands place. So 9,000. In 9, 9, THOUSAND, 1000. 9,000. 9,000 after 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. 400. FOUR, HUNDRED, 100, 400. And here and 0 are there. So zeros, they don't have any value. So 9,400. So with this we have completed writing words. So after seeing this video, I have given homework in PDF. See that PDF and write in your maths class workbook and write each number in one box. Thank you. Already we have written write-in words. Now we are going to write write-in figures. So in write-in words, they give the number and we are writing the spelling of that number. But in write-in figures, they will write the spelling and you have to write the number. You have to read the spelling of the number, then you have to write the number. For example, THIRTY 30, SIX 6, 36. See here, 36, 30. 30 means 3 tens. 36. See, if you want to write, you can write here. Again, you can write these numbers in one box. After writing the numbers, write the place values. See, 3 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. 36. EIGHTY 80, NINE 9. 89. 89. 8 tens and 9 ones. 8 tens and 9 ones. 89. Again you can write the place values. See here. FOUR, HUNDRED, 100. After 100 and SIXTY 60, FIVE 5. 465. See, if you are getting any confusion to read the spelling, first you see what the first number is in which place. So 4 is in hundreds. 400. 100. If you write the place values, it will be easy for you. You can write the place values first also. Hundreds, tens, ones. So here, which 100? 4 is in hundreds place. So 400. And tens, 60. 6 tens, 60. And 5 is in ones place. So 465. Again you can write these in one box. See another example. A CVN 7, HUNDRED 100, 700 and FORTY 40, TWO 2, 42. 742. See, 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. And 42. Again you can write the place values. Hundreds, tens, ones. See, 7 is in hundreds place. 700. And 42. 4 tens, 40. And 2. 742. So you have to write the number like this. Again one number, one box, one number, one box. See here. TWO2, THOUSAND, 1000, 2000, 300, HUNDRED 100, 300 and FIFTY 50, NINE 9, 59. See here, you are writing here thousands. So 2000. So you have to write the place values using thousand. Thousands. TH means thousands. H hundreds. T tens and O ones. See, Here, thousands. Which number is in thousands place? 2. So write here in thousands place 2. And hundreds place, which number is there? 3. 300. And 50. 5 tens 50. And ones place 9. 2359. See, here I am not having boxes. In your book you are having boxes. So please write each number in one box. Another example. See here. 4,000. See in the thousand. 200. HUNDRED 100 and EIGHTY 80 SIX 6. 4,286. See again, if you write the place values, it will be easy for you. Thousands, TH thousands, H hundreds, T tens, O ones. See here, which number is in thousands place? 4 is in thousands place, 4,000. And which number is in hundreds place? 2, 200. And 80, 8 tens, 80. And 6 ones, 4,286. So like this we have to write in figures. When you are writing, please read the spelling, pronounce the spelling, and see whether in which place, whether the number is in thousands place, hundreds place, or tens place. According to that, you can write the number. So with this, we have completed writing figures. And please write the homework in your classwork in your classwork book by seeing the PDF. Thank you.